In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist a wallet on crypto.com. This process is crucial for securing your funds and ensuring that withdrawals can only be made to addresses you trust. Let's walk through this step by step to make sure you're set up correctly. First, you'll want to head over to crypto.com exchange. This is where all the magic happens. The website's interface might seem a bit daunting at first if you're new, but don't worry. We'll take it one step at a time. It's always a good idea to have a steady internet connection as you go through this process to avoid any disruptions. Once you're on the site, look for the dashboard. You'll find it conveniently located, but if you're having trouble, take a moment to explore the main menu options. After you access your dashboard, navigate towards the security settings. Security is a big deal, especially when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Taking these extra steps goes a long way in safeguarding your digital assets. Now that you're in the right spot, it's time to choose Withdrawal Whitelist. This area is especially important because whitelisting ensures that only pre-approved addresses can interact with your funds. This minimizes risk and adds an extra layer of tranquility to your transactions. Next up, click on Add Withdrawal Address. Here you're starting to build up your whitelist. You might notice various options, so double check that you're in the correct section. This is also a great time to gather the necessary details about the wallet address you plan to add so you can have a smooth posting process. Then comes the part where you select the cryptocurrency and the correct network. This step is where precision matters most. Cryptocurrencies operate on different networks, and choosing the wrong one can lead to transaction failures or worse, loss of funds. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital currency, confirm that you're selecting the right type and pairing it with the appropriate network. After settling the cryptocurrency and network, enter the wallet address. Be precise and perhaps even cross-verify with your source to avoid any errors. While you're at it, give this address a convenient label or name. This helps you identify it quickly later on, especially if you're dealing with multiple withdrawal addresses. With everything in place, you'll need to complete the two-factor authentication. This usually involves a quick SMS or email verification along with your authenticator app. It's a vital security measure, ensuring that you alone have the power to make any changes here. Finally, hit that proceed or save button. By doing this, your selected address is now whitelisted for any future withdrawals. It's a small action that reinforces the security of your crypto transactions, giving you added peace of mind. That's all there is to it, and you're all set on the whitelisting process. Happy trading and stay secure.